Thank you for joining today's read-along, Get Away Cat, Scat. This video lesson will focus on reading comprehension and emphasize the short A vowel sound. This lesson is intended for 1st through 3rd grade readers. If you're following Common Core, press pause to take a moment to look over the learning standards and objectives. This story places emphasis on the short A vowel sound and will help your student recognize its sound and usage in forming words. Before we get started, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notifications to new uploads. Okay, let's get started with today's story. Get Away Cat, Scat. Shoo! That cat is trying to sit on my lap. Get away, cat, Scat. My goodness, that cat tried to jump on Mama's back. Get away, cat, Scat. Mama, don't whack the cat. He wants to take a nap. Get away, cat, Scat. Yikes! Cat, catch that rat. Get away, rat, Scat. Look at that cat. He's planning an attack. You better scat, rat. Hours later. Hey, where is the cat? I haven't seen him since he attacked the rat. Oh, there he is. He is on the mat, taking a nap. Now it's your turn. Read the story. We'll slow it down for you. I am sure you did great reading by yourself. Ready for a little quiz? I will read the questions. See if you remember the details in the story. Let's go. What did the cat try to jump on? A, the chair, B, a tree, C, mama's back. The answer is C, mama's back. Why did mama not whack the cat? A, the cat wanted to take a nap. B, a bird was in the house. C, her bread was in the oven. A, the cat wanted to take a nap. What short vowel sound do you hear the most throughout the story? A, short E. B, short A. C, short I. The answer is B, short A. How does the story end? A, the rat took a nap. B, mama fed the cat. C, the cat took a nap. The answer is C, the cat took a nap. Thanks for reading along with Literacy Mobility. Look for other read-alongs and language arts lessons by Literacy Mobility on our YouTube channel. As always, happy homeschooling, happy tutoring, and happy teaching. Bye-bye.